Gordon always pulled dirty trucks from dirty sidings. He was proud of being the only engine strong enough to do so.
Oh, help!
I'm going to poop. That's no use. Edward can't push the dirty trucks from dirty sidings. Will you help pull this dirty trucks from dirty sidings?
No. I'm banishing you to the Shadow Realm. No!
Thomas came up in his cheeky way. Wake up, lazy bones, do some hard work for a change. You can't catch me. And off he ran, laughing.
You dare underestimate my power?
I shall be the same again, he thought sadly.